Hi everyone! Welcome to Buenaware Facebook Cooking Show. My name is Marife and I'm your host for today. I'm again excited because today I'll be showing you how to bake a blueberry lemon cake. So it's something different, and this is really good for, of course, for dessert and also for snacks with coffee or with tea. Okay, my ingredients are 2 large eggs, sugar. It's up to you guys, so whatever you prefer. 1 cup sour cream, 1/2 cup olive oil, but I modify it because I don't want my food to be so greasy, so I made it 1/4 cup of light olive oil or vegetable oil, 1 teaspoon of vanilla, 1/4 teaspoon salt, 2 cups all-purpose flour, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, 1 medium-sized lemon, because we're going to use the zest and also the juice of the lemon, 2 tablespoons cornstarch, of course our blueberries, 16 ounces of fresh blueberries. As you can see, they're all nice and big. And also you can add a powdered sugar to dust the top of the cake when it's all done, but that is optional. Okay, all right, that's about it. First, combine the 2 large eggs with the 1/2 cup of sugar. Okay, so after combining the 2 large eggs with the 1/2 cup of sugar, I'm going to mix it with the high-speed attachment until the color lightens and also it becomes thick. So I'm going to add 1 cup of sour cream, 1 teaspoon of vanilla, and 1/4 teaspoon of salt, also add 1/4 cup of light olive oil, so on a separate bowl, whisk together the 2 cups of all-purpose flour and the 2 teaspoons of baking powder. And then add this one to the butter 1/3 at a time while mixing to make them, to incorporate them together. I can already smell the aroma of the lemon zest and the lemon juice, guys. So I have already rinsed my blueberries, and I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of lemon juice and about 2 teaspoons of cornstarch. Then mix them all together until all the starch have been dissolved. Just like that. Look at this. Look at the blueberries. They're big, aren't they? There you go. So I'm using this one to bake our blueberry lemon cake, and on a very low heat, the lowest that you can get, like a candlelight, and on a stove top. So economical. But first I'm going to line the saucepan with a butter. So very tiny butter. Just going to line the saucepan. Make sure that you also line the sides. So easy, and you don't need to preheat this saucepan, guys. Just put it straight on a cold pan. So we're going to have 2 layers of butter here. So this is the first layer. So make sure you distribute the butter evenly at the bottom of the saucepan. There you go. And then I'm going to add our beautiful blueberries. Just put a generous amount so that every bite that you make, you can taste the pop and the juice of the blueberries. This is looking beautiful, guys. It's gonna be yummy. So easy to make, guys. Just going to spread the butter all over. Sprinkle the remaining blueberries over the top and push it about halfway of the butter. This cake is loaded with nutritious blueberries, and every bite has sweet pops of juicy blueberries and fresh lemon flavor. This will look beautiful to serve at parties and special occasions, and quick to bake. In conventional oven, this will take about 55 minutes to bake, plus you have to preheat it for 10 to 15 minutes. But using our amazing Saladmaster, this will only take about 35 minutes and no preheating needed. So that's how awesome and amazing our product is. So when you're baking this one, you have to use the lowest heat that you can get. My technique in getting the lowest heat setting is I turn it towards close to turning the stove off so that you will not burn the cake. So look at the setting, guys. It's baking on a very low heat like a candlelight. So that's how economical it is. Now our blueberry cake is done. Time for tasting. Look at this. Exciting. Look at this, so fluffy, moist, and delicious. I hope you will love every bite of this blueberry lemon cake, guys. Yummy, delicious. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.